Hi there, welcome back to Tech Studio 24. Today, we'll create a super simple chatbot in Python. This is perfect for beginners, so grab your computer and let's dive in. Now I want you to open your IDE, pause this video, and enter the code you are seeing on my screen. After typing this code, I want you to save it in Python format as chatbot.py. Welcome back! First, let's understand what a chatbot is. It's a program that talks back to you based on what you type. With these 23 lines of Python codes, you have built a chatbot that can introduce itself, tell you the time, share a joke, and say goodbye when you want to exit. I want you to run this code and engage the chatbot by asking it to introduce itself, tell you the time, share a joke, and type exit to see its response. In the next few minutes, I am going to break down this code into step-by-step coding for beginners. Here's the code step by step. Coding step 1. We start by writing a function to contain our chatbot logic. This prints a welcome message to the user and explains what the chatbot can do. Coding step 2. Next, we need to keep the conversation going. For this, we use a while loop. This keeps asking the user for input until they type exit. Coding step 3. Now, let's teach the chatbot how to respond. We check the user's input with if-elif conditions. If the user types exit, the chatbot says goodbye and stops. Coding step 4. If the user asks for the chatbot's name, the chatbot introduces itself. Coding step 5. If the user asks for the time, here, we use Python's datetime library to tell the current time. Coding step 6. If the user wants a joke, the chatbot tells a funny programmer joke. Coding step 7. What if the user types something the chatbot doesn't understand? The chatbot politely asks them to try again. Coding step 8. Finally, we run the chatbot by calling the function chatbot with closed brackets. And that's it. You've built a basic chatbot. You can run this program in any Python editor and start chatting right away. Want to make it smarter? Add more questions or integrate AI libraries. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beginner-friendly tutorials. See you in the next one on Tech Studio 24.